Hello students, we are going to begin with the topic pulses. First of all, we'll take up the first subtopic, that is importance. Now, why are pulses important? First of all, they supply proteins to the vegetarian population of our country. Second, they are leguminous crops, so they are rotated with other crops in order to restore the fertility of the soil. That is, they fix nitrogen in the soil. Third, they serve as excellent forage. Cattle are fed pulses. They provide grain concentrate and they provide proteins to the animals. Coming to the climatic conditions, range of temperature required is 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Rainfall 50 to 75 centimeters. Soil, dry light soil is required, and it can grow in a number of soils like the alluvial soil and the black soil and the red soil. Now, among the pulses, gram is the pulse which is grown in a very large part of our country. It is the leading pulse crop. It's a rabi crop and generally it is sown mixed with wheat. Then among the pulses, we need to know which are the kharif crops and which are the rabi crops. We need to know at least two examples. So tur, urad and moong, they are the kharif crops, and these crops, these three pulses are grown throughout the country. Then kesari and masoor, these are the rabi crops mainly grown in North India. Moving on to the distribution, India is the largest producer and consumer of pulses, yet there is a shortage of pulses in our country. Reason is that pulses are food crops, and most of the farmers, they have shifted from food crops to cash crops because they get more income by selling cash crops, and hence there is an acute shortage of pulses in our country, and because of this the prices of pulses are soaring high. And how does government fulfill this shortage? By importing pulses from other countries. The government should give an impetus to the farmers to grow pulses, pay them higher prices so that the farmers, they start growing pulses again. Now, among the main producers, we have Madhya Pradesh, the leading producer, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh. For each of these crops that we have studied, we have to remember the first three producers, the first three leading producers of all the crops. Then comes harvesting. Now the crop matures in 4 to 5 months, and plant is generally pulled out when the leaves become dry and begin to shed. They are dried for a week and then threshed under the feet of bullock or beating with a stick. Now moving on to the examples of pulses. I have here a few pulses with me. So I'm just taking the camera. Okay, so what we have here first, this is Bengal gram, okay, the leading pulse crop of our country. This is tur, it's also called arhar, another name is pigeon pea, and this is generally used for making sambar. And here we have lentils, masoor dal, also called lentils. Now this is the urad dal, and this is also popularly, it's called the maki dal, which is one of the favorites of the Punjabi people. And this is the moong dal, also called green gram. The urad dal is called black gram and the moong dal is called green gram. So that's all about pulses.